My first video on the 5th of April 2026, Easter Sunday, showcasing how low the noise from RCCG LP 60 the Agege is today. This is what it's like on the outside. Lows were still above the 55 decibels. Maximum is designated for residential areas. That's being got this. Let me go back inside and actually record for a few more minutes. So this is the allowed noise from the public address system is an intentional thing. Because if the service is going on right now and none of their members is complaining, it can go on like this forever. The high decibel readings was due to me speaking directly into the microphone.